Hello everybody and welcome back to Quad RC. Today I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing and a review on these two 132 scale RC truckies from Temu. Just because I said I'm gonna. It's actually for the boys, like everything else is for the boys. They're standing there just waiting to see what's in those two boxes. So let's dig into it. So the first one is this one. But you never know what's inside of these boxes because there's always advertising this one and then you get this one and then the next guy gets that one and then that guy gets that one. So let's just see what's inside of this box. Got the standard charger and some wannabe screwdriver. Then you get this type of cones and some barrels. Then you have the standard operating manual so you can see what you're doing. Don't do this and don't directly plug it into a socket with two wires from the garage. Don't do it. We have the remote control. Yeah, it's not that expensive looking. Well, it's something to keep you busy, especially on the rainy days, and you can. So this one's got a screw in it. Want to see what type of batteries does it use? Two double A's. And there's the car. There's the little car. So sweet. Got a rear shock absorber. Doesn't have any body pins, so you can't like take it apart. Just there where you put the battery in it. The on and off. And the wheel alignment. It feels like it's one of those magnetic steerings. Works with the electromagnet. Just so adorable. Look at that. See where the battery is. It's one cell 100 milliamp hour one. So adorable. It looks like a battery for a watch. Oh, those pins are so tiny. There you go. Just see how much the battery's got in it. Funny looking. Look at that. Yeah. Get some batteries for the remote. We have some batteries for the remote. Remote, it switches on there. Got a blinking. Take the car. Switch it on there. Oh, it's got a blinking. Would you look at that? It's so quiet. They won't annoy their mother. It's proportional. Look at that. It's proportional. I would say it's like a 50 and 100. Oh, and the steering is just dead on. Look at that. 100% or nothing. So sweet. Let's see what's in the other box. And there's another one. So we already got that. So I selected this one and this one on the website. So let's just see what's in this one here. Look at these scissors, man. These scissors are dangerous. And it's also upside down. Depending on how you have the box there. Oh, look at this. It's a different color. Oh, at least it's a different color. Still the same, just a different color. There you have it. I'll just charge these up and let the boys play with them first and make some videos. You guys can see how they perform. Now that concludes the unboxing and review for the 132 scale cars from Temu. I put them here next to those 116 scale RC car so you can see the difference, and also next to Batman. But please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Tell me in the comments what you think. Just check out the other videos on the Blackstone slider. I'm still waiting for a brushless motor on that one. Just have to search the internet very carefully, otherwise we'll get a thin shaft one, and we're looking for the thick shaft one. So please stay tuned in and see you next time.